All right, so 1b, the problem is the integral of t to the fourth natural log of t dt. Do you remember the acronym I gave you? LIATE?
Oh, yeah.
As to where you should start with a integration by parts choice for your u and for your dv. LIATE, logarithm, inverse trig function, algebraic, that's like your polynomials, trigonometric, and then exponential. So now normally what I do is I look at it and say which one's going to get simpler as I take the derivative of it. But of these, both of them are very simple, but one that gets the most simple when I take its derivative is natural log, because it gets rid of the natural log. So I'm going to let u be log of t. And what does that leave for dv? That leaves t to the fourth dt. And again, remember the formula is integral u dv is uv minus integral v du.
What's the I and the A stand for?
I is inverse trig function. A is algebraic. So du becomes 1 over t dt. And v is now 1/5 t to the fifth. All right, to find du, you differentiate. To find dv, you integrate. Or to find v, you integrate dv. Okay, so now the formula gives me uv log of t times 1/5 t to the fifth minus integral v 1/5 t to the fifth times du, which is 1 over t dt. Right. So this becomes, I'm just going to rearrange this a little bit to make it simpler. 1 over 5 t to the fifth. I'll write a little bigger since you guys are looking across the room at it. Natural log of t minus, I'm going to pull the 1/5 out. Integral, and then t on bottom cancels with one of those, leaving 4 behind, so t to the fourth dt. So that's 1/5 t to the fifth, natural log of t, minus 1/5, and now the integral of that is so I would write the final answer in simplified form. 1 over 25, t to the fifth, plus c. I won't do this for every problem, but I'll just point out that, you know, if I pull a problem like this on the test, if I use this one, I probably won't use exactly this one, but I might include a log, but put maybe a t to the sixth or a 5t to the third or something like that, where the technique is similar, but not identically the same. Yes. Again, I want to reiterate the fact that if you can do this review well, like if you can go through and work this front to back all the way through and you can work every problem without looking at your notes, then you will do very well on this test. Okay? That's what you want to prepare for. Well, no, you can use that. But don't look back at what we've already done, right? I mean, you're using these now notes as your crutch. you eventually want to wean yourself off the crutch between now and Friday. That is, can you work problem 1B without looking at what we just did? Can you work it from start to finish on your own? And if you can do that for every problem on the review, then the test itself is going to be a breeze. You can ace it.
We can't use our reference. Matt says his ankles are still.
You can use this, and the 3x5 note card. But on your note card, no worked problems, only formulas and list of steps if you want, but no example problems on your note card. Okay?
I